Good evening. Official interest rates have hit a historic low. The Reserve Bank today cutting the cash rate by 0.25% to 2.5%. It's only the second time the RBA has cut rates during an election campaign. Finance editor Ross Greenwood explains what it means for your budget.
Record low interest rates. Never before in our history has Australia seen or needed official cash rates at 2.5%.
The public's got it into its mind that things are crook now, and the bank has read that, and they think dropping interest rates is going to help. I don't.
That's because mining's slowing, but people are still not spending. So the Reserve Bank left the door wide open for even more cuts. In his statement, RBA Governor Glenn Stevens said the bank will continue to adjust policy as needed to foster sustainable growth in demand and inflation outcomes. Some economists think there's much more to come.
I couldn't rule out the Reserve Bank's cash rate eventually being 1 point something.
In other words, 3 more rate cuts from here, at least. Just 22 months ago, the Commonwealth Bank's official standard variable rate was 7.81%. But today, you should be paying no more than 5%. So on a $300,000 home loan, that's $515 a month, or $6,180 a year, after tax. Throughout the suburbs, those with mortgages are rejoicing.
I've got 2 daughters, which will help put up more money in their pockets.
It's a massive relief because it means that I can make ends meet.
It means owning a home is more affordable for first-time buyers, Abby, Elle and baby Natalia.
We spent about $175,000 over the past 4 or 5 years paying rent, and that's money that could have gone into our own home.
With interest rates at historical lows, people are finding that they're very comfortable with the repayments, generally speaking.
Those doing it toughest are people living off their own dwindling savings.
It does mean that your income goes down at a time when there are lots of cost pressures on retirees.
Ross Greenwood, 9 News.